Here I have Nissan Ariya NISMO, and let me show you how to use traffic information on the following car, on the following navigation. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's open the navigation button right here at the left side of the screen. If you tap the navigation, you will get access to the map, to the navigation map, and here you can use this settings button, at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings button, you've got access to the navigation settings. Let's select here the second option, which is routing preferences. So let me tap routing preferences. And now, as you can see, you've got access to the following routing preferences. Let's scroll down here, and here you can select use traffic information. Let's just tap it. Here maybe, so you can choose off, you can choose auto, you can choose always ask. In my case, maybe let me choose off. So this controls how the car uses the real-time traffic data to change your route. If you tap always ask, traffic jam is detected ahead, the car will show a pop-up asking a faster route is available due to the traffic, do you want to switch? If you would like to do it automatically, you can just leave the auto, and if you would like to just switch it off, you can just choose off option. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.